Peace, love, and light, family. EsiK, the homesteader here. All right, family. So y'all know there are always surprises in the yard, and I try my best to be really careful out here, even though everything is so beautiful. So I had to bring y'all some footage on this here. So as I was walking through my trellis, just checking on everything, the usual morning stuff. We had a lot of rain come through yesterday. I was checking on my watermelons, and look how big they getting, you guys. And as I was walking through, I was looking upward because there is always something, and not that I was looking for anything. Not that I was looking for anything. I was just practicing safety, being that, my vines are trellising over the trellis. So as I was looking up, you guys, let me show y'all this. This is fascinating to me. Y'all ready to see this? Look at this, you guys. How about that? Y'all see this? All right, family, I had some technical difficulties, so I'm back now. Okay, so what's really crazy about this is that these guys, and y'all see that, right? Y'all know what that is. They are building their nest, and they are actually working on two. So look, this is the start of another one right here.
Unless they just... Nah, I don't think they done with this one.
No, they not done with it, but
Stinkable.
they doing something over here too.
Yeah, they might. Yeah, you're right. They probably just preparing it for another one. Hey, YouTube.
So I had to bring this to you guys. Let me get on this angle so you guys can see. So there's this part of me that want to bring out the fancy cameras and possibly get some footage on them working, because they doing the daggone thing. And I think it'd just be wonderful footage to catch them working. You know how we come out in the yard to look at the bees and they working, and just to see how nature is providing shelter for their babies. I think this is fascinating. It's not like we never seen a bird's nest before, but to actually have them building one on my net, on my trellis. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I thought you guys would definitely enjoy seeing this as much as I did. And again, I believe they are working on a second one. I don't think they're just storing it right here. I believe they're trying to work on another one because they're looking for that shade. So this is so fascinating. So I think that's why they are over in this area. Boy, I wish I could get some footage on them working and figure out when's the best time of the day that they are doing this, or try to look out my back door to just watch them and see. Oh man. So this is EsiK. Thank you guys, all my subbies, my new ones and my old ones. If you're new to my channel, don't be shy, subscribe. And I hope everyone is enjoying my content. And I hope everyone is growing or is attempting to grow their own food. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date on this. I'm going to be watching this on a regular. But again, I noticed this as I was looking upward to make sure nothing is over my head that I cannot see. Even though, like I said before, everything is looking so beautiful out here, I try to practice safety and look up as I'm walking through it. All right, family, so I hope everyone is doing well and being safe. So this is EsiK. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.